Instead of doing the usual tutorial video where I spend 5 minutes talking about my channel, telling you to like, subscribe, and all that, we're going to get right into it. How do you shorten or lengthen the speed of a video? To make it speed up or slow down? Very simple. Take the video you want, drop it into Vegas Pro 14, and then right now it would play at normal speed. Not a big deal. Press Control button on your keyboard, click on end, and it will now be sped up. Obviously, the more you shorten it while pressing Control, the faster it goes. That's not all. Press Control button, stretch it out, and suddenly it goes much slower. Very simple. So, hopefully this helps you guys out without having to listen to 5 minutes of intro. Goodbye.